Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Insight and Interface. In this video, we will learn about Excel interface. If you are beginners, don't worry, I will explain each part one by one in a very simple way. So let's go to Excel screen. This entire screen is called Excel interface, and the top part, this is called the title bar, where the name of the file has been shown. Like this is book 1, the file name. And these ribbons are called tabs, and each tab has their own meanings and own use. Like this home tab has different sections like clipboard, font, alignment. Like font is used to change the font style, increase font size, change the color of the font, etc. And so on. There is a more tab like insert, draw, page layout, etc. And the horizontal lines here is called the rows, which is labeled as 1, 2, 3, etc. And the vertical lines are called columns, which is labeled as A, B, C and all. Where horizontal lines and vertical lines, that is row and columns, meet or intersect, this is called a cell. And each cell in this sheet has its unique address, and this unique address is shown in name box. This is called the name box, where address of this cell is shown. And there is a sheet, different sheets. You can add more by clicking plus sign, and you can simply rename the cell by double clicking. You can put any name, and this is called the formula bar. Here whatever data is written in this cell, like, and if you simply click this data, the data will be shown here. This is called formula bar, where you will know, like, you can use formula here too. So this is all about the Excel interface. If you want more such videos, keep stay on this channel by subscribing this channel, and if you like this channel, put like button on it. Thank you so much for watching.